ourselves in bringing you the latest in intermediate school news.
This has been a great year so far.
We started off the year diving into learning.
This marking period, we are wild about learning.
That's why you will see our new juggle theme for the next 13 weeks.
We are going to start today by giving out some of our community partner prizes.
Today's newscast is a special edition to celebrate our first marking period accomplishments.
So let's just jump right in and give out some of our community partner prizes.
This marking period, everyone's name is in the bucket because we all have shown respect.
Some of our community partners have given us prizes to celebrate showing respect. This marking period, community partners are
Randy's Cup of Joe.
For being such a wonderful person and making good choices, you and your parent or guardian receive any free drink.
The Evening Tribune.
Because you have shown respect, they are giving a movie ticket to a Spotlight Theater.
The Spotlight Theater.
For showing respect, they are giving a gift package including a ticket, small popcorn, and small drinking candy.
So let's draw for those prizes now. If your name is called, please come to the stage. Our community partners are Mrs. Brandy Greenthal will be choosing 4 names for Brandy's Cup of Joe.
Dominic Chef. Una Rowan. Hayden Jones. Lorraine Green.
Nice job, guys. If you want to stay up there,
Our community partners, Mrs. Jen Flynn, will be choosing 2 names for Evening Tribute.
go this way. Lindsay Nelson. Lucas Hancock.
Nora, turn the mic on.
Our community partners at the Tribune will be choosing 1 name for the Spotlight Theater.
A gift package including tickets, small popcorn, and small drinking candy.
Zachary Gardner.
Our first shout out to be the first trimester academic all-stars. We'll start with fourth grade. When I call your name, would you please stand up and remain standing until all fourth grade students are called, and hold your applause so I finish the fourth grade, please. For fourth grade, Ava Coombs, Aaliyah Cohn, Brighton Dungan, Wyatt Evingham, Andrew Flint, Ella Foreman, Stephen Jarbeck, Aidan McCormick, Cooper Meehan, Bronte Murphy, Sylvia Perkins, and Matthew Robinson. Congratulations. For fifth grade, fourth grade, you can sit down, please. Fifth grade, Rachel Holbrook, Ryan McLaughlin, Mia McLojic, Samuel Olix, Lindsay Preston, Blake Smith, Sienna Stevens, Caleb Stryker, and Joanna Zane. For sixth grade, Kylie Bentley, Gabriel Combs, Christopher Kraft, Nora Foreman, Cadence Golnitz, Ethan Hall, Dylan Harding, Riley Heyer, Demetrius Patamopoulos, Liliana Ninos, Gabrielle Pacero, and Vivian Smith. Now for our shout outs from Mrs. Kilberry. A shout out to Maddie Kellogg for completing level 4. Congratulations, Maddie. Once again, when I call your name, please stand up and wait until all students are called. From Miss Buckley, shout outs to Matthew Bennett, Austin Mead, Jason Tapp, Zach House, Jalen Gardner, Cameron Rittenauer for working hard during LLI reading groups. Also to Mayliana Ingalls, Kami Yataro, Trinity McGregor, Camden Grenthal, Deborah Van Duzer for working hard during intervention. And shout out to Kes Chase for putting forth a lot of effort in math class. Congratulations. Mrs. Wolver would like to give a shout out to her ELA 1 and ELA 2 classes for consistently working hard, and to Vivian Smith for completing Garcia's challenge by reading 20 novels and writing a book report to go with each one. Great job. Mrs. Kuhn. Mrs. Kuhn's kids are rocking their LLI intervention classes. Great job, kids. Keep up the great work. Carbone and Miss McDaniels. A very big thank you to John Kilmer for being a responsible student returning a found item. We are proud of you, John. From Mr. Dunham, a shout out to all students and staff. Mr. Dunham is very impressed with the start that we have had to the school year. Keep up the hard work and stay Red Raider strong. Thanks to Conrad Meyer, Daniel Kowalski, Skylar Jones, and Jason Taft for being respectful, and Richard Gardner for being responsible and safe. Mrs. Finch also has a shout out to the following students. Please stand when I call your name. Javon Brian Rolfe, John Kilmer, Jonathan Prentice, Conrad Meyer, Hayden France, Michael Adams, Nathan Brown, Ethan Button, Kata Miles, Matthew Bennett, Jason Taft, Austin Mead, Michael Davison, Ezra Dennis, Jeffrey Spangenberg, Michaela Newland, Ethan Whiteman, Skylar Jones, Zachary House, Anthony Carrington, and Jalen Gardner, who remember coming to speech in time and wants to thank all of our speech students for their hard work. Ziegenfuss would like to recognize the following students for excellence in academics: Brighton Dungan, Catherine Valentine, Ava Coombs, Andrew Flint, Claire Rose, and Davin Thompson. For excellence in effort: James Clark, Ava Combs, Zachary Gardner, Alan Hoffman, Kelly McDermott, Danica Reese, Claire Rose, Devin Thompson, Nazari Thompson, and Catherine Valentine. Congratulations. For excellence in behavior, Alexander Bazan, Kennedy Carrier, James Clark, Ava Combs, Max Feenaughty, Zachary Gardner, Alan Hoffman, Stephen Jarbeck, Samuel Malbacher, Danica Reese, Claire Rose, Devin Thompson, Nazari Thompson, and Catherine Valentine. Mrs. Hillman's class, for excellence in multiplication, Aaliyah Cohn, Jermaine Dixon, Connor Meehan, Bruce Hill, Ben Eldridge, Everlove Washington, and Braylee Hunt. For excellence in reading group, Courtney Bradford, Hayden Campbell, Aaliyah Cohn, Jermaine Dixon, and Grace Murphy. Excellence in behavior, Natalie Gross, Braylee Hunt, Mage Williger, Kenny Morris, and Ben Eldridge. For excellent effort, Jamel Bailey Curse, Nolan Drum, Mage Williger, Grace Murphy, Annie Unterborn, and Alfie Whiteley. Leadership, Topanga Davis, Joey King, and Connor Meehan. Mrs. Thomas has the following shout-outs for excellence in academics. Dakota Souls, Caleb Kapsiak, Nash Adams, Aiden McCormick, and Trinity McGregor. Following students for excellence and effort in all areas: Molly Haley, Skylar Aldrich, Nash Adams, Trinity Hornsby, Sophia Hoover, Joaquin Irizarry, Ada McCormick, Nicola Souls, and Caleb Kapsiak. And for excellence in behavior: Molly Haley, Skylar Aldrich, Nash Adams, Gavin Judd, Ada McCormick, Dakota Souls, Trinity Hornsby, Trinity McGregor, Hayden Geisler, and Hayden France. Mrs. Dunning has the following shout-outs for Masters of Multiplication: Cooper Meehan, Jaden Wilson, Aiden Miller, Elijah Plank, Michaela Newland, and Scott Raish. Mrs. Dunning has a fun shout-out for ELA: Maya Woodworth, Madison Raycroft, Toya Lautner, Olivia Green, Cooper Meehan, Brooklyn Whitney, Michaela Newland, Michaela Slater, Joseph Smith, Jason Tapp, and Ethan Whiteman. Congratulations. Mrs. Dunning has fun students for best behavior. Keep it up out there with the best behavior: Scott Raish, Olivia Green, Toya Lautner, Cooper Meehan, Madison Raycroft, Aiden Miller, Michaela Slater, Joseph Smith, Jason Taft, Brooklyn Whitney, and Maya Woodward. Mrs. Smith would like to recognize for excellence in academics: Brody Flights, Bronte Murphy, Ella Foreman, Mia Nasca, and Ryan Arkwright. We would also like to recognize for excellence in effort in all areas: Keen Cartella, Ella Foreman, Ryan Harkenreiter, Mia Nasca, Cam Rittenauer, Jeffrey Spangenberg, Brody Flights, Jalen Gardner, Bronte Murphy, Ariana Rice, Isaiah Smith, and Jalen Town. Martella, Ella Foreman, Mia Naska, Isaiah Smith, Deborah Van Duzer, Peyton Clark, Ryan Arkenreiter, Ariana Rice, Jerry Spangenberg, Brody Flights, Bronte Murphy, Cameron Rittenauer, and Jalen Towner. Okay, have a seat. Guys, 4th grade. Relax. Okay, now our shout outs from Mrs. Fridman. Please stand as I call all 3 grade levels together. Please hold your applause till we're done in 6th grade. For 4th grade, Margaret Hall, Trinity Hornsby, Dakota Souls, Trinity McGregor, Sophia Hoover. For 5th grade, Rachel Holbrook, Marin Young, Nathan McMichael, Jasmine Ridgway, Madison Rudenauer, Ava Arzatiri, Zara Mayer, Mia McLogic, Helena Raich, Giselle Robinson, Braden Young, Bailey Johnson. And for 6th grade, Mackenzie Alley, Stella Arzatiri, Kylie Bentley, Giovanna Camacho, Gabriela Pissarro, Jaden Robinson, Conrad Meyer, Logan Snyder, Isabella Button, Katie Pena, Emily Plank, Isabel Miles, Gage Hill, Zagan Nowak, and Nora Foreman. Very good. From Mrs. Walter, great job with the 6th grade computer classes. They represented our school with great integrity at the Veterans Day tribute to World War II and Korean War veterans in our area. Your hard work was greatly appreciated by many families and community members. I would just like to add, personally, if you didn't get a chance to go attend this event, for me personally, my dad was recognized as a Korean War veteran, and the students, you guys did an amazing job representing the 2 different wars, World War II and Korean War, and it was well received by the community and the family members. So thank you to the students, and thank you, Mrs. Walton, for the time you put into that project. From Mrs. Hopper, a group shout out to all the students who are part of the cast and crews of The Wizard of Oz, and a thank you to everyone who auditioned. Now for our PE All-Stars. Mr. Hall's PE All-Stars for the first trimester are, please stand as I recognize your name and hold your applause to the all 3 grade levels. 6th grade, Katie McGregor and Merrick Kaczynski. 5th grade, Reese Harwood and Ashley Hooker. In 4th grade, Claire Rose and Connor Meehan. Congratulations. Mrs. Larkin's PE All-Stars for the market period. 6th grade, Phoebe Gillespie, Doris Thiel, Christian Jessup. 5th grade, Dakota Van Druff, Bryn Hunt. In 4th grade, Joseph Smith, Madison Raycroft, and Hannah Woodward. Good job. Now for our PE swim records, and I think there is a pacer test. Something else. So for 4th grade, we're going to do our top 3 students for the swim record. In 3rd place, Emily Ataro. 2nd place, Annie Unterborn. In 1st place, in a time of 25.9 seconds, Wyatt Evingham. For 5th grade, in 3rd, Lily Harris. Nathan McMichael in 2nd place. And rounding out the squad in 1st place, in a time of 22.1, Mia McLogic. For 6th grade, placing 3rd, Caleb Briggs. In 2nd, Noah Burns. And number 1 for us, in a time of 21.2 seconds, Merrick Kaczynski. Now for our pacer test. Pacer test for 4th grade, in 3rd place, Ryan Harkenreiter. 2nd place, Wyatt Evingham. And in 1st place, with 62 laps, Dakota Souls. Fifth grade Pacer students. Third place, Lucas Hancock. Second place, Jackson Tinker. And Gavin O'Dell with 65 laps. For a sixth grade Pacer test. In third, George Thiel. Second, Andrew Davis. And with 66 laps in first place, Brandon Woodward. The last shout out of the day is once again from PE. This is for the 80 Curl-Up Club. So when I call your name, I'm going to call all three grade levels. Please stand and be recognized. You can wait until the applause till the end, please. Fourth grade, Brody Flights, Ella Foreman, Zach House, Skylar Eldridge, Margaret Hall, Trinity Ornsby, Tori Lautner, Madison Raycroft, Ethan Whiteman, Jaden Wilson, Maya Woodward. Fifth grade, Landon Gadsden, Lily Harris, Lily Hoyt, McKenna Asper, Zara Mayer. Sixth grade, Phoebe Gillespie, Evan Mix, Braden Woodward, Zoe Cansdale, Mackenzie Gardner, Evan Hall, Kaden McGregor, and Riley Turdy. Good job. Congratulations. Okay. I would just like to add a couple other shout outs from me personally. First of all, to the students, excellent job this market grade, diving into learning, showing being respectful, responsible, and safe, being red rated strong. Keep that up. We're trying to be positive with each other as far as what we expect from behavior and academics. So keep working hard, keep thinking about if you're being respectful, responsible, and safe. We want to keep moving forward with that going on through the year. For our next market grade, which you see has changed from diving and learning, which is under the seat, to our new one, which we're going to discuss in a few minutes. To the teaching staff, once again, excellent. We've done a lot of change. You guys have really done amazing stuff. We're moving things forward. As I said, change. You guys have been rolling with it, and I appreciate it. You guys are amazing also. To our support staff, I don't know what I'd do without you guys. And your guys in the background picture sometimes, but you guys are just as important as everybody else is here, including myself. To Jen Monson, Mrs. Monson, I'm going to give you a shout out. Last night you were here till I think 10:30, 11 o'clock, helping setting up our jungle team. Much appreciated. And the one person who probably wants to be recognized least of all, actually, Mrs. Hopper, I know you'd like to be recognized, not you. Thank you for the lights and the sound. I appreciate it. The microphone. Once again, you have a seat. Have a seat. But I know the one person who does not want to be recognized, who's going to be anyways, is down front, on the risers, duck her head so nobody will look at her. But we see you, Mrs. Walter. Mrs. Walter. Have a seat. She's not going to stand up. She's up front. But Mrs. Walter, thank you. The time you invest into the different projects and challenges we do don't go unnoticed by a lot of people. The time you invest putting this last night, 11 o'clock I think wasn't, if I'm not mistaken, I heard, putting this together and then having to tear it down. And I don't know where you store all this stuff. I have no idea. But it's pretty impressive. I don't know why anybody has this many stuffed animals around. But it is much appreciated. It raised a lot of encouragement for the students and the staff here. So thank you very much, Mrs. Walton.
Last marking period focused on respect.
This marking period, we will focus on responsibility.
We need to show responsibility throughout the day.
We have a video that the 5th grade computer class has made about responsibility.
following a plan. We are responsible. We are prepared for class. We are responsible. We get to class on time. We are responsible and we do our work. We're responsible for all of our stuff. We are responsible. We turned in our homework. Oh, okay. Okay. I don't think
what's
this
happening?
is how we actually messed up into this.
Oh, was somebody holding the screen?
What are we supposed to do? That's probably a good idea. If I can get it
So
out.
you guys need to help, right? So we gotta get everybody on board. Hold your
Okay.
cup.
Okay.
All right, you got the
Okay.
screen. All right, hold it real tight.
No, we did it.
Success.
We did it. Hey.
You got it.
It worked. We're responsible. We take responsibility for our mistakes. Hey guys, can you pick up? You're gonna be responsible for the You're responsible. We take care of our messes. We are responsible with our library book. We are responsible with bringing our burdens to school. The first round will be an activity.
So give me the who, what, and where for this chapter. Start with who.
The who, the faculty and staff participating will be announced in the pool. Following students will be part of the challenge. Their names are drawn from their respective ticket box.
Ryan Workenreiter and Zachary House, both in 4th grade. Austin McCormick and Rachel Holbrook in 5th grade. And Taylor Stanford in 6th grade. For where?
The pool.
What will happen?
The challenge will be half decked out booths and assist with musical chairs. The adults will be standing on the deck of the pool.
The students that won the respect, responsibility, and safety drawing, who were picked to do the job, will be walking back and forth in front of the adult line.
The music will be playing the whole time. When the music stops, the students follow too.
Whatever adult the student is standing in front of has to jump in the pool. Before we leave, we have another special performance by our very own drumline. This group last year was state champions for the division.
period. Don't forget to show responsibility at school, home, and in our community.
We are respectful.
We are responsible.
We are safe.
We are Red Raider strong.
Please be careful as we move to the pool for our first challenge.
Sixth grade will be going first. They will be sitting on the top benches in the pool.
Fifth will fall and fill in just below them.
Fourth will follow and fill in the area below the pit.
Remember, we need to squish in.
Don't leave any seats empty.
Please be careful as we move to the pool for our first challenge.
All right, sixth grade, please move quietly to the pool. As they said, you're in the top row of the rise